beautiful and playful today. Woke up this morning with your words in my head, in my head. I want to forget all the things you said. Your voice won't go away, still living in me. I try to delete, but you're on repeat. I will post the good memories we've made. I won't